Hi, my name is Tristan, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 upgrades you should be doing on your turbocharged street car. So obviously there's some upgrades that need to be done to your vehicle whenever you go turbocharged. And obviously there's a lot of those options out there, but we decided that we'll cover, a couple of the main points, if you will. Let's talk about fuel. Obviously, when you go to a turbocharged application, you're putting more air into the motor, so you need to add more fuel. So that's going to consist of things like your fuel injectors, your fuel pumps, your fuel filters. And we offer a full line here that pretty much covers the entire gamut of horsepower. In order to control those, you need some sort of engine management system. So some of you guys may use a factory ECU or a piggyback, while others may be looking to step it up to a full standalone system, and that's something like the Big Stuff 3. One of the other big things with a turbocharged application is you're compressing air. When you compress air, air heats up. Hot air is not good to put into the motor because you can run the risk of detonation, so you always want to intercool it. So that's where a good air-to-air intercooler, like the full line we carry here, will get you covered. One of the other things too is boost control. So obviously you don't want to put 20 pounds of boost, and every time you leave a stoplight, you put your foot to the floor, and you just spin the tires like crazy. So a good boost control system, which is going to consist of properly sized wastegates and a boost controller, is really going to help you guys, especially the high horsepower guys, tame the beast on the street. So we offer a full line of products for that as well. All of our wastegates from 39 up to 66 millimeter, as well as the NLR AMS 500 and the hyperactive hyper control systems. One of the last points to cover is going to be oil. Now, when we are turbocharging a motor, we're asking more of that motor. We're putting more load on it, we're creating more heat, and introducing heat with the turbo to the oiling system as well. So we want to make sure we use a high-grade oil. So something like the HPL line that we carry, it's going to be a high-grade synthetic oil, and it's going to cover all of the viscosities that you would need for varying street car applications. Really, to wrap it up, top 5 upgrades. We're going to upgrade the fuel system, upgrade the management, upgrade the intercooler, don't forget the boost control, and last but not least, protect those parts with a good grade oil. I'm Tristan. Thanks for tuning in.